Meditation upon the tarot can be one of the best, fastest and most personal ways in which you can be acquainted with the tarot. Let's learn how to do it. Hi, this is Harold and welcome to the Sanctum. This channel is dedicated to learning and exploring ancient knowledge and tools for self-transformation. If you're new here, please remember to click the subscribe button and the bell icon. This video is part of a playlist on the major arcana of the tarot. Please follow the link above to find the first video on this playlist. So I've already explained in my introductory video that the tarot can be used as a powerful tool for self-transformation and spiritual growth. In order for us to unlock the hidden potential that the tarot has to offer us, it's important that we open ourselves up to the symbolism that is presented in each card. Now, each tarot card of the major arcana can be used to improve or strengthen a certain aspect of ourselves and unlock hidden potentialities of the mind. In the videos to come, I shall be going through each card in the major arcana and breaking down the symbolism of each card and how you can use each card as a key to unlock certain hidden potentialities. So this video is essentially a preliminary set of instructions on how to meditate upon the tarot as an aid to the rest of the videos on this playlist. So in order to meditate on the tarot, we shall use the Magician card as an example. It's very simple. So essentially what you want to do is you want to have your tarot card that you're meditating upon and you want to fix it on a wall around eye level. You want to fix it on a wall. Sometimes blue tack works, or you can even use a piece of tape that works well as well. And you fix it on the wall so that you are facing this card. You want to be about a half a meter away from the card, and you want to sit in the posture which is known as the hermetic or the pharaonic posture. So this is the sort of posture if you go into a museum and you look at ancient Egyptian artifacts and statues of pharaohs in ancient Egypt, they all were seated in this specific posture, which is known as the hermetic or pharaonic posture. And essentially, to sit in this posture, all you need to do is sit on a chair with your spine erect. Imagine that there's a string that's connected to the crown of your head, and simply imagine that string being pulled up, pulling your head up, straightening the spine, pulling your chin slightly inwards, and you want to keep your hands facing downwards on your lap and your feet touching the ground. Now what you want to do is you want to remain in this posture and be very aware of your body. Be very aware of how your body feels, the weight of your body, the shape of your body, the structure of your body, the heat emitted by your body. And then you want to stare at the tarot card that's fixed onto the wall. And you want to be open to the symbols. You want to analyze every single symbol in the tarot card. Go through every single element of the tarot card. You want to go through every aspect of the tarot card. The number of the tarot card, the name, and all the elements that are present within the tarot card. And what's happening is when you do this, when you simply sit there and you stare at a tarot card, automatically you go into a slightly altered state. And when you're in this state, your unconscious mind is more receptive, is more open to receiving information. And essentially, a tarot card is a collection of symbols, ancient archetypal symbols. When we stare at the tarot card, our unconscious mind starts to absorb all these symbols. I've mentioned many times before that the unconscious mind speaks a very specific language, that the unconscious mind understands symbols, metaphors, stories, and images. And in this case, this is an image and it's full of symbols, right? And if a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000 pictures, a symbol is worth 1,000 videos. The symbolism of each tarot card is constructed in such a way that it's trying to convey a specific message to the unconscious mind of yours, which in turn controls your whole being, your whole system. And by staring at the tarot card, depending on what meaning each tarot card is conveying, depending on what message that tarot card is conveying to your mind. And we shall be getting into that in the next few videos as we'll be going through each card. But that effect will be produced within your system. And this is what I mean by unlocking certain hidden potentials within yourself. Meditation upon the tarot can do just that. And what you can do is, with each card in the major arcana, you want to meditate upon each card, starting from the Fool, card 0, one by one, all the way up to the World card, in order, according to number. Every 3 days, you want to meditate on one. And after each third day, you want to move on to the next card. So sit down for 5 minutes and meditate upon a card. And after each meditation session, you want to have a little book or a diary. You can write down anything that came up, how you felt, or any information regarding the symbols on that card. And you want to write it down. And you want to do this with every single card in the major arcana. And the next few videos to come, we shall be focusing on each card in the major arcana, talking about its symbolism and what it really unlocks within you if you were to meditate upon it. So please stay tuned and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I shall see you very soon. Peace.